Morning time again, my people. Morning time again. It's me, Prophet Sinai, live on Sinai TV station downtown Kingston, Jamaica. Beautiful Jamaica. As me for telling my people, as me for telling you. Them say young bud no know when storm blowing on my people. Them say young bird don't know when storm blow my people. As me for telling you. You want to for the government again, my people. Seeing you wanna for the government of Jamaica, my people. Or you for your import ganja, herbs of an all, my people. When Jamaica have the best high grade Cambodia, high grade Indica, purple skunk, and sensimania, all cali weed we have down here. Yeah, that is no lie. Mr. All cali weed we have down here, my people. And bushweed. So any kind of weed you want, Mr. Government, we have it down here. Me not see in which no way you fear import ganja to Jamaica. Me find you guilty upon the one day. This is totally slavery, my people. This is total slavery, and the government have put we in a backward country. And me not love that anti-allness. Me not love that. Me don't see in which way you should have carry this heap of mac upon your head. Me don't know what kind of sacrifice them sacrifice you as a young bud in the parliament. Me not tell no lie. True, you young, them sacrifice your ass out alone upon you. And you alone come out for your own decision. Could never. Andrew. Me can't believe when me hear on the news. Yes, morning, Empress. Watch your road, Princess. Seeing some nice and decent ladies that walk past on the waving gallery. So, no like a lie, me I tell. Andrew Holness, the government of Jamaica. You carry the whole Jamaica, the whole country on your shoulder. He's have somebody alone, man. I bet the judge them pass. I know me not actually tell no lie down here. You want to base upon a true story, my people. A Sinai TV station. Downtown Kingston, Jamaica. Me not see in which no way me fi tell no lie upon the government. Look how much high grade we got down here. Ask some of the member of parliament them. Can enough of them burn weed. Me see even way. You make we can't smoke no ganja again. In our own vehicle. Me a traveling at the mobile unit and police mad to pull me over. So they see smoke a fly from the window. Me have to hurry up out of my weed. It's a good thing say Sarge know me. Me get a chance. But me say Andrew Wallace, you have to take me back out of the backwardness there. You bring the country in a backward ways of living, and me no like it. Me no like it. Me not tell no lie. Dude, we have back down here. Make the jet pass. Make the jet pass. And me know me not tell no lie. Goosebumps around me. And so yeah, we are not sacrifice on here. And who are work for no man? We want to go Haiti or Africa. Me want to know what kind of spirituality you have my country, and that's you go import ganja, everybody have to go obey your law. All the type of thing there. Yo, me don't want to talk out of proportion and start talking nothing stupid enough. Me people me go close that one because there is so much things to say. The government has set in a way where it may allow we to talk things. And people are not fool again, you know, Mr. Government. See, how that me I tell you, know. See, so look at my people at Sinai TV station downtown Kingston, Jamaica. See, beautiful Jamaica, as me fi tell Andrew. See, we have high grade down here, you need of importing no weed. See, and we for export weed. We have weed like wow down here. Jamaica full up of wood and water. Salt of water. And that me I try to tell you. See, spring water, river water. And how much wood in a woodland. People can actually get wood. We gonna make coal. Sort of same thing that poor people can get for use. Coal who can afford stoves. So, and that may I tell you a little bit, but there's so much things to say on this TV station, as me for tell you now. Little bit people sign a TV station downtown Kingston, Jamaica. Beautiful Jamaica. I'm out. See it there. Tell Andrew, see it, warning. That me a